This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Vitamix blender. First, ensure your blender base is placed on a stable, flat surface. Then, securely plug the power cord into a grounded outlet. Finally, carefully place the container onto the motor base, making sure it's seated properly before adding any ingredients. This foundational setup is crucial for safe and effective blending, preparing you for delicious creations. When adding ingredients, always start with liquids, then soft items, followed by harder ingredients, and finally ice. Secure the lid and its plug tightly before you begin. Start your Vitamix on the lowest speed setting, then slowly increase to your desired speed. This method helps prevent splashing and ensures a smooth, consistent blend every time. The tamper is a valuable tool for processing thick or frozen mixtures. Remember to only use it when the lid plug is removed and never when the full lid is off. Gently push ingredients down towards the blades, keeping the tamper within the container's four corners. Always ensure the tamper does not touch the spinning blades, maintaining a safe distance. Cleaning your Vitamix is simple and quick. Immediately after use, fill the container halfway with warm water and add 1 or 2 drops of dish soap. Secure the lid, then run the blender on high speed for 30 to 60 seconds. Rinse the container thoroughly with clean water and allow all components to air dry completely for optimal hygiene.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.